I'm running on 2 wings, quarter cup of clam chowder, and a cashew cluster. It is the kind of 6 p.m. that feels like 10 p.m. to me right now, and we're going bowling. Oh my God, I love the sound of fall.
What do you want to say to Joe Quinn?
We are running late because of who we are as people, LOL, but we are on our way.
Sending.
Definitely fall time. It's the second prettiest thing I've seen tonight.
Stay in the middle 2 lanes.
What's the first? Oh, I knew what the first was. Yeah, but they don't. Oh, what's the first? I haven't been bowling since like way back in the day when I was in the closet, so naturally I wasn't as good as I could have been. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna wear other people's shoes. I'm sure it's gonna be awesome. These are the fanciest shoes I've ever borrowed. What the? Beginner's luck. Coming back? Did you guys break my stuff? What happened here? Are you cheating? I was too good. Oh. So what we're learning is everybody can bowl but me. All right, so I've discovered I'm really good at hitting the left gutter, and then I make a quick recovery, then I hit the right gutter. This is our champion bowler right here. Hey Alex, what's that TikTok say? You're either good at bowling or... This is our champion. She put bumpers on. I think she's trying to dispel the rumors.